The real. My first 40 killed a nigga, now my bad bitch with a case. Now, lock me away and throw away the key. Cause if I get the chance, he won't be far around me. It's the real. My first 40 Hey guys, it's Ivory and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing a Fashionnova try-on haul. So, let's get to it. So before we get into this Fashionnova try-on haul, I wanted to say a few things about my purchase. So my purchase totaled $106.47. Yes, you heard that right, $106.47. With that, I got 8 outfits, a fanny pack, and a pair of sneakers. So I think that's pretty reasonable. And that's why I like Fashionnova, bitch. I love me some Fashionnova, yo. When I'm balling on a budget and I need to look like a baddie, best believe I'm ordering off of Fashionnova. You already know, Fashionnova, bitch. But yeah, let's officially get right on into this try-on haul.